Good morning, people, and welcome back to my channel. So I know that the last couple videos that I've uploaded have not really been me talking, and that's because I'm rushing all the time. You guys know that. Anyway, today we are going to try to do like an orange look. I've already done my foundation. If you guys are interested in that routine, I'll try to link that above. But yeah, we have videos on that, so make sure you go and look at that. The foundation routine hasn't changed. I just find that it helps me get ready faster if I do the foundation first. So today, like I said, I don't know if I said it already, so I can't really say like I said, my bad. Today we are going to be doing like an orange look. I'm going to be trying to use the Orange You Glad palette as well as the James Charles palette. I've tried this look before and I have been very unsuccessful at getting orange to really pop on my skin tone. So I'm not really sure how we're gonna do it, but we're gonna figure it out, okay? You know what, I'm even wondering, because back in the Disney I used to have like a neon orange, and I'm trying to figure out where the hell, oh, I found my neon orange, and this may just be what I need. I don't know, because it's winter, you know, I don't want to be too bright, but that just may be what I need in order to get the orange pop in the way I need it to. So, yep, that orange may be the one that I need to get. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start out with the neon orange, which is this one. So we're going to start out with the neon orange. We're going to apply that all to the lid. I've already put, what do you call that, concealer as well as powder on my lid. You guys know I ran out of my Makeup Revolution. Yes, it's been 10 weeks or whatever, and I still have not gone to go and get any more. Whatever, mind your business. But we're going to start with this. Lord, be with me. Oh, this is not too bright, which I'm pretty sure it is. Jesus. Okay, here we go. Ooh. The only thing I hate about neon pigments is that they are super hard to maneuver. Like, they don't maneuver like seamlessly because it's a pigment, I guess. Don't give me the line, because I don't know. Oh shit, that's gonna be too much. Okay, so I have the orange pigment applied. Oh shit. What am I gonna go in with? No, yikes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with, let's see, this orange, and I'm gonna apply this. I need to clean my brushes, y'all. This is an everyday occurrence for me. One of these days I'm gonna get it right and just freaking do it and stop playing with my life. What day that is, I don't know. But yeah. Okay, so I'm trying to think of which orange I want to go in. Let's go on with this one to kind of deepen it up a little bit. Deepen it up in that crease a little bit. Okay, now to even try to get this a little bit more brighter, I'm going to try to take this color here and see if I can just get it to brighten up for me just a little bit. I have to be like super careful because I'm like, colors don't look bright to me here, but that's because the lights are like super bright right now. But then when my ass gets up and go into like normal light, I'm like, oh, you bright. Or if I get to work and they're like, oh my gosh, your eyeshadow's so bright, then I'm like, oh yeah, that was a problem. Probably shouldn't have did that. Okay, so here lately I have not been doing cut creases. I mean, I have, but I haven't been actually carving them out. I've just been using my brush to do them. But today, I mean, I have a little bit of concealer on my hand, so why not use it? I mean, might as well, right? Okay, so I'm gonna use this on my lid to just kind of carve out the space that I want. What time is it? Okay, I'm making good time. I'm making good time. Well, at least I thought it was. Okay, here we go. This is the, if I can get it out. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to use this in place of my, y'all know, my Makeup Revolution. Jeez Louise. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with this color right there. I'm going to go in with that. This is the Sun Kiss by Colourpop. So we're just going to apply this, if I can get it to show up. I mean, it's acting a little stank right now, like you don't want to go on. Okay. I don't know. I don't think it's bright enough. So I'm going to try to go in with this James Charles. Let's see. Yep, that's better. So I put the James Charles. I put the James Charles orange on top of the Sun Kissed from Colourpop. And I'm digging that a lot better. Because I need that thing to pop. Y'all know how I do. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go back in and deepen this color just a tad bit, just a smidget. I'm gonna go back in with the orange that we originally started with. I'm gonna go back in with that and just kind of deepen that up a little bit. Okay, so one more time because I need this orange to be popping. I need it to kind of be a little bit higher than my lid too, because I'm gonna actually go in with like a thicker eyeliner. So I'm taking it just a smidget higher than my actual eyelid. Okay, let me do my liner and my lashes. I'll come back and we'll finish. I'll show you guys the finished product. And yeah, oh, and I did not tell you my lashes came in, guys. These are different lashes. I'm gonna be offering 6 different styles, but they're all gonna be nice and fluffy and wispy and just gorgeous. I don't know which style I'm gonna wear today. I wore another style previously and I absolutely love them, but I also have to name them. So the lash line will be dropping January 2020 for sure, which is right around the corner. So guys, get ready for this because you don't want to miss it. But yeah, let me go ahead and figure out what we're gonna do with this look and I'll come back and we'll finish it. Alright people, so this is my finished look. I did go in and add like some little rhinestones just to jazz it up a little bit. I know that is a trend now. I didn't hop on the bandwagon, but we're learning. So yeah, this is it. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching.